sir. We back in the building, man. Let's get it. Let's see how this goes. I think the last time I played, I definitely got Sheva killed. Hey, man, sometimes in life, you gotta learn from your mistakes. Excuse me. All right. Ooh, we got 7,000. Okay, we can probably get, you know, a little jiggy with it. Let's see. What we got? Updated handgun. I mean, updated machine gun. Updated machine gun. Sniper rifle. Leave that with Sheva. Even though I could probably use that because she was on the other side of the map. I think I am gonna do that actually. So remove. Give her 2 machine guns? No, why not? She don't got no weapons. She don't got that much ammo. Combine. Take that and give her some handgun ammo. Okay, word. Alright. Now we ready. Do I want to sell these yet? No, I'm gonna let these stack a little bit. Stack up. Alright. Alright, now I'm ready. Let's go. Make sure my mic on so I don't repeat. Was this where I was at before? Oh, let's hope so. Oh no. This can't be. Yeah, get out of here, boy. Get out.
Thanks, partner.
Alright. I'm pretty sure this is where I left off at. Yep, it is. Alright. It started me all the way over. Get off me, boy. Yeet. What'd you say, Sheva? Japandesa. What you mean by that? Yeah, they was getting busy. Not in a good way either. What was y'all chefing up in here? Looks like England food. It's nothing like my mom's fuzzy wicket. Yeah, what that means? It's nothing like my mom's fuzzy wicket with bristle sprockets.
It's nothing like my mother's ham biscuit brickle-brackle and beans with fizzy wickets. They used to make roasted ham squash with bristle sprackle.
Oh, is you? Yo, stop doing that. Yeah. Oh, the shots is horrible. Alright, there we go. How am I full? What you mean? Oh. No kidding. Alright, let's get it. What you got up there? The machine gun? Yeah, get up there. I got you.
Come on, Roger.
Chris strong as heck, bro. He be throwing her all the way up there. Get that ammo too. There you go. Alright, let me do what I do. Let me switch to the shotty. What's popping with it? Now, I don't know who you was. No, don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. Who you thought you was for real? Oh, I'm out of rifle ammo. Oh, Holmes was looking. Yeah, why was he looking like that? Where he got stopped? Yeet. Nice. I'm gonna reload. This is light, bro. This is really light. Uppercut. Come on, man. Line them up. Don't get up. Let's go, Chef. I see you. Make my way up here. I totally missed that. That was some WWE stuff right there.
It looks like super kick.
What do you mean, don't? Still talking about don't. You Bryson Tiller? Look, what you mean, my boy? All right. Oh, he said Americane. I understood that one. Shot. 2-piece. Noise. It's off from the other side. Okay, we ready. Let me make sure Chevy good. Let me get that ammo. Exchange.
Come on. Okay.
Where homeboy at? You good? That we are. All right, let me let Holmes hit me so I can take some of this. Come on, man. Do what you gotta do.
Wow, you really do shoot
Yo.
like a stormtrooper. Guess I don't have too much to worry about.
So did I miss all those shots?
I can't see.
There you go, Chef. I see you. Oh, we got him. Hit him. That yeet. Yo, Chef will really be getting busy, bro. Alright. Use.
Thanks, partner.
That was like some Chinese flick movie stuff right there. Your mouthpiece wasn't even in sync. Aside though, it's the old game. Rifle ammo. Alright, now I gotta throw her over. Alright, we ready now. Get over there. Let me get the rifle. Oh. Let me get oh, I'm gonna get Sheva killed again. Alright, let me get down there. Let me get down there. Come on. Sheva already getting cooked. Get in there. Alright, switch to the rifle. Equip. Alright, Steph Curry with the shot. It's time. Oh, so 1 piece, bro? Oh, she's gonna die. Okay, got him. Dean! Okay, Sheva. Come on, make your way down. What you doing? Dean! I see you. All right. Yep, I got you, homegirl. I got you. Hold up. Steph Curry with the shot, boy. Oh, I might not be Steph Curry with the shot. Oh, she going downstairs. She running. She don't trust me. That's actually a smart bet. Let's go. Come on, get down there. I got you. Ooh, let's go. Sheva was like, yeah, I'm tired of relying on you. That's very smart, Sheva. I'm better with this anyway. Let's get it. Juke move.
Trying to tie this game up.
Juke.
The very wow.
Yo, did that actually work? I'm crying. Okay. What's over here? Is there anything over here? You don't got no ammo? Here, shorty.
I owe you one.
I owe you one. Oh.
Wow, you really do shoot like a stormtrooper.
Nah, ain't no way I messed with the shotty like that, bro.
Helmet.
My shot is horrible. Let's get it, though. I ain't missed that one.
Wow, you really do shoot
Bro,
like a
what is going
stormtrooper.
on?
Guess I don't have too much to worry about.
Nah. Yo, I missed that shot so bad, my eyes started twitching, bro. All right, Sheva, you got this. She looking at me like, do something. I got you, shorty. Bet. All right. Gosh. I was just missing everything, bro. We're going to do better next time. I know my accuracy is in the dirt. Were we supposed to go this way? Nah, we wasn't. All right. Oh, let me get this. Oh.
I need ammo.
Take this.
All right, there we go. Might as well use the first aid.
Thanks, partner.
Yep, okay, there we go. I actually rather exchange too. Give me...
Give me your machine
Use
gun.
this.
And then I can give her that.
Thanks, partner.
You gonna get better use out of that than me.
Partner.
There we go. Why you got 5 grenades? Here, give me those.
Give me a grenade.
Take this.
Okay. Shotgun, handgun. She got the handgun, machine gun. Yeah.
Okay.
I say we good. Bruh, I can't even knife nothing. I was on my stormtrooper wave. Alright. I don't remember how we get out of here. Maybe it's through here. Watch out. Nothing in here. Oh, wait, I saw something sparkly over there. What's that? More grenades, bruh. More grenades. I took the pin out my grenade on purpose when I threw it. Alright. That's our herb, but I'm kind of straight. I don't really need it per se.
Come on.
Okay.
Alright, I can't jump down. Oh, I could jump down here. Alright, so where we going? Don't tell me we're lost again. Alright. Oh, there's a door over here. Where's this go? Found it. Oh, wait. This is going backwards. And here I thought we made it. Alright. Alright. Ah, look at that. We go straight. See? I told you I'd find it eventually. Oh boy, not a checkpoint. I wasn't ready for this. Watch how I maneuver. But you're not getting it off. Reload. Oh, back up, back up. Shorty. Shorty. What you doing? All right, back up. I'm on you, boy. I'm on you. I'm on you. I'm on you. I'm on you, bro. Oh, I'm not on you. Back up. Oh, back up, Sheva. Back up, back up. Oh, I gotta get right. All right, we here. I got you. Back up. Oh, I'm missing. Oh. Did that nigga just two-shot us? Yo, we both just didn't get taken out at this. Yeah, all right, it's time to upgrade. That's crazy. We both just got taken out? Yeah. All right. Watch this. I'm selling everything. Ain't no way he got us 2 for 1, bro. Selling everything. I'm upgrading everything, bro. Everything must go. What's that? How much bread we got now? How much bread we got? 16,000. All right, so I'm gonna need that new shotgun, respectfully. I got the attacher. All right. There is no new machine. Oh, wait, can I upgrade my weapon though? Hmm. 5,000 for an upgrade. Does it seem plausible? Reload speed? Capacity? Oh, capacity is 500. Yeah, let's upgrade that. 500 again? Oh, yeah. Okay. If I could hold more, I'm good. I could combine more. Okay. Sheva, you need to take out that what's her name, shorty. Like, stop playing. Okay. I'm throwing all the grenades at home, too. I ain't gonna buy nothing yet. Ain't really nothing to buy. See if I can upgrade this. Yeah. Alright, I'm ready. I'm really mad Holmes got me like that, bro. The 2-for-1 special is ridiculous. I'm using all these. Let's get it. I'm locked in.
You could not live with your own failure. Where did that bring you? Back to me.
Well. Oh, wait. This might not have been my smartest idea. Oh, they all here. All right, watch this, though. There you go. There you go. Oh, back up. Yeah, my plan is working exactly how I planned it. Spin. Throw that on the floor. Throw that on the floor. Yeet. Hold up. Spin. Hold up. Oh, move. Show me you on the way. Spin. Oh, wait. Hold on. Oh, you tired. Ha ha. Yeah. All right, back up. All right, take your time. Let's go. I told you I was locked in. Didn't I tell you I was locked in? Didn't I tell you I was locked in? Oh yeah, y'all not right. I missed. I'm not locked in. I missed twice. I'm not locked in. Well, let me reload. Give me a second, brother. See, that was the wrong thing to do. Just punched his head off, bro. Nah, I'm really locked in. I literally punched his head off. I should have did this at first. But might as well now. Let's go. I got 30. I'm gonna get that.
Thanks, partner.
Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Oh man, we just hit the jackpot for real.
Hurry!
Okay.
Yeah, that was so dramatic. Hurry!
Over there.
Well, let me make sure I got the full clip. You ain't make it.
Oh my god.
Toasty! Nah, let me chill. What now, bro? Oh, nah. Dodge. It's the Ghost Rider? These zombies is way too smart for me, bro. Oh, nah. See, knowing my luck, Julia Griffin, you do custom artwork, but you see some of your work. Sure, I'll DM you. Miss, let's go. I ain't gonna mess up no quick time event. Finally. I got you. I definitely will. I'll drop the Instagram username in the chat. Give me a second. Where was y'all at in the first like 3-4, like you feel me, in the first few chapters? Where y'all was at, man? Where y'all was at when the chainsaw dude was on
Glad to
this?
see you guys.
Delta Team Captain Stone.
Chris Redfield.
Shiva.
Thanks, Josh. I owe you one.
You guys know each other.
I trained under Josh. He taught me everything I know.
Shiva became little sister of the team. Now Shiva, you must continue your search for Irvin. According to the data we retrieved from the hard drive, we believe he has moved on to the mining area. There's more info inside it. We'll follow after taking care of business here.
Your Instagram is Julie Griffiano. All right, bro. I'm gonna definitely message or miss sis. I'm gonna definitely message you after I'm done. I got you. We'll link up on the gram. That's my word.
Jill.
That boy Wesker.
Chris, are you okay?
Got you.
This picture, it's... forget it. It's nothing. Let's move out.
All right. Yeah, I knew my accuracy was... Yo, my accuracy was so cooked. What are we looking at? Accuracy was cooked. All right, that's a good place to stop at, man. Let's get it.